Hey everybody, this is Paul. In this quick video we're going to assemble a JibWorks gaming setup rack. It's super easy, almost everything is pre-assembled. All we got to do is install these 4 uprights. We ship it partially assembled so that we can make as small a box as we can and minimize shipping costs. So the first step is to unbox everything. We've recycled our packaging. We've got our 4 uprights, 2 shelves, our base with our casters, our top with our interface platform already assembled, 2 side panels, and 3 packages of screws. 1 are hex screws with a hex key for securing our uprights to our top and base, and cage nuts and rack screws for mounting our shelves to our uprights. Alright, so what we're going to do now is assemble our uprights to our base. We have our base with casters on the floor. There's little slots here, 4 of them, which are where the side panels go into. We want those to the side, so this is the front and this is the back. The uprights are symmetrical, you can put them any which way, but we want the square holes facing us or to the front or the back of the rack. Then we're just going to take our hex screws and finger tighten them. Alright, so now we have 3 screws just kind of finger tight installed between the upright and the base, and now we're ready to install our top. We're going to take our top and just put it on top of the uprights. The reason why you don't tighten them down, it's kind of nice to be able to just move the uprights to line the holes. So now there's just 2 screws that go from the upright to the top. So now we're going to check and make sure everything's square by just putting in an end panel. Got 2 tabs here at the bottom. They just go into those slots in the base. Tilt it up and it snaps in place. And so now we see everything looks good. And we're going to go through and tighten up our screws. So that's all it takes to assemble the rack. I'll now show you how to assemble the shelves, which you can do at this stage or as you're starting to put in electronics. Mounting shelves and panels are really easy in a rack. All you got to do is find what they call a U or a rack unit, and they always start with a skinny line, and then there's 2 wide lines and a skinny line. So that's 1.75 inches tall. So all we're going to do, we want to mount one of our shelves, is hold it up, figure out which holes we want to mount. This one we'll put in the second U. So it's the 4th and 8th hole down. Take a cage nut, which has a little spring clips. I put the clips sideways. And now we'll just put those, press the spring, pop them in. And the rest is really easy. Just add a fastener through your shelf into your cage nut, put your second shelf in, and you're done. So that's it. The rack assembly is complete. It's now ready for electronics. In the next video I'll show you some of your options for the accessories and electronics and how to put them into the rack and really how to turn this into your own custom gaming setup. So if there's things you want to see or something you want to know more in detail, just shoot us an email or make a comment in the video and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Thank you for watching.